Hey, what's up, everybody? Brent from Brenspeed. Thanks for watching Brenspeed TV. It's 3-valve Wednesday today, and I have an 08 GT manual transmission with only 20,000 miles. The car came in bone stock. We're going to watch a dyno pull. We're going to check out the engine compartment. But we installed our Novi 2200 turnkey supercharger package that adds 200 rear wheel horsepower. It's a sweet setup. Hey, if you haven't, please subscribe and notify us up to date. Let's go check it out. All right, a couple things before we go down and take a look. This is going to be the satin Novi 2200. It is available in polished. If you wonder what it costs to get something like this installed, email quote@brenspeed.com, as well as check that description because we'll have links to the parts we're talking about right here. You can click on it, read a lot more about it, but Doug, come down and take a look. So this came in as a factory stock 08 GT. We have our Novi 2200 Paxton Supercharger. This is the Brenspeed package. So what do you get in this? Well, you get a Kenny Bell boosted pump because we need some increased fuel capacity. You get colder spark plugs. You get the proper calibration. Of course, like I said, this is intercooled supercharger. And now in this kit, we're including 47-pound fuel injectors. This is the kind of the transition. If you watch a lot of these videos, we always use the Bosch 39s. Those are pretty much became discontinued, very hard to get. So we're using the Ford Performance 47-pound injectors. It's a sweet setup, and honestly, down the road, it would support some more power than the old 39s are capable of. So that's pretty much it right here. It's the intercooled Novi 2200, 93 octane, manual transmission. Check out this dyno pull. All right, Doug, check it out. 470 rear wheel horsepower, coming in at 6,500. That's DynoJet rated SAE. Most of these cars from the factory typically lay down maybe 270 to the tires. Torque came in at 403, peaking at 5,100 RPM. Now, like I said, this is bone stock. Let's talk about what would you do next. Doug, let's go over here and just take a look because it's a super clean car. So what would you do next on something like this? You have a stock car. Well, I know a lot of you ask, camshafts. I already have cams. You know, a lot of you have a built NA car. I already have cams, whether it be Detroit Rocker, NA grind, or a hot rod cam, or maybe like a mother thumper, pretty much any cam on the market. We can calibrate for that with this supercharger kit, and there's no ill effect of already having a camshaft, even if it's a naturally aspirated cam, because honestly, that's what we typically prefer in a centrifugal type supercharger, because you get the nice low end torque, but it's gonna add, you know, all the normal peak power you're getting NA with the boost. Set of delete plates, get rid of the butterflies, the IMRCs, get rid of that. Of course, set of long tube headers, free floating exhaust, that's always a bonus. And then typically once everyone has that, they work their way up to the Ford Performance manifold, as well as maybe the Ford Performance throttle body. So that's pretty much the basic stock engine bolt-ons you do to a car like this. Pretty easy to get up to over 500 rear wheel horsepower. And a lot of you may think, oh my gosh, is that too much for my stock Mustang? Don't worry, I'll put a link at the end of this video that you can read how I feel from a lot of years experience is how much is too much on my stock 3-valve Mustang. So I'm Brent from Brenspeed. Thanks so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this. Leave that comment. We're happy to answer. Have a good day.